Hello friends, me and my dad are going to quote unquote fix the phone holder. First, we can talk about the base first. The tripod, unsurprisingly, has 3 legs. Also, it can also be a monopod. Yes, this one can be screwed on top of this.
Yeah, beside of that, you can just plug an handy cam or camera DSLR or whatever with the screw 5 millimeters.
So, why do we want to fix it? Because it is hard for new phones, while it is easy for old phones like this one. Like this one has 55.4. You can see that. And this one much newer than that one, but still older than the new one, if that makes sense. Wait. Is 60 around 66.5 and 66.7. And this one, the newest one in the batch, but still very old. You cannot rely on it. Is 76.2, and this is already hard to put in. So, there are 2 solutions to the problem. You either loosen the screws right here, or just straight up cut the spring. We cannot loosen the screws because, of course, this is made out of plastic and it cannot hold very well. So we will also unassemble it with a test pen. Yes. And for cutting, we need a tissue and a plier. So we need to unscrew these. Wait, is it right or left? Left. Okay, I remember now. Correct. Okay. This is already loosened. I wonder why it would come out. Wait. Oops. I think I pressed it on. Since this is plastic, you cannot loosen the screws. It wouldn't be held very well. You can see the screws are just this. There's the spring, it fell. So falling. Okay, can you cut it please?
Cut in this.
At least 2. If you
1, 2, we cut in here.
this may vary
To avoid its bump everywhere.
and it may vary across length. the spring.
You can see.
Why we use the tissue? Preventing it to escape. As we don't want it to.
1 and 2. You cut in here. Okay, you can assemble it again.
So, wait, one, looks like oops, it ran there. And then here, wait, this is the same length.
It's okay.
It's okay, but it's a bit different length. In place. Wait, no.
Oh, you put it down until
Okay, which way? Wait, no. Why do I keep putting it the wrong way? Okay, then screw it to the right. Okay, and the other one. Screw it. Wait, that's the left. This is the right. Just to make sure. Okay, it's done. As you can see, this is a little bit easier to pull.
you can try with the phone.
Fit this one. Wait, still kind of hard.
Not like that, not like that.
Wait,
You can do this way.
this is very hard for me.
No. You take a look here, and you
Oh,
just like that.
okay. Yeah, it's still very
It's
hard.
safe because this is the rubber in here and in here, so it will be stay firmly. You can see.
Yeah. And this,
Cannot drop by itself.
yes, it can. It can drop by itself. It is actually already dropping. Okay, so it does work very well. Yes, it still drops by itself because of gravity. Not the phone though. All of it. Okay, so thank you and bye. Thank you for watching.